Today you will see the inventions on the best works in many parts of the world. Automatic process allow any job to be done faster. People save time. You may also find something of interest to you. This is an automatic process for manufacturing parts in a factory. You see the factory process of increasing the strength of huge parts. This is how springs are created at the factory. This is an automatic process. Huge sheets of glass are moved by a special vacuum mechanism. This mechanism helps build sleeved sheets of film. This is an automatic box assembly machine. This work works at high speed, improves productivity. This is how individual wooden cubes are polished. So the bags are filled with flour. Flour goes to the trading network. In today's world, there should be a place for sports. This is a very pleasant way to build muscle. This is how road repairs are carried out. This is an automated process in a weaving factory. This is the production process in a factory. Skillful hands of workers create very beautiful products. What do you think the manufacturing process is? Write your opinion in the comments.